Hello again. So let us look at question 8. This is physics 1015, still on tutorial number 9. So question 8 here has a collapsible plastic bag which contains a glucose solution. Now if the average gauge pressure in the vein is 1.33 times 10 to the power 3 pascals, what must be the minimum height h of the bag to infuse glucose into the vein? Assume the specific gravity of the solution is 1.02. Okay, so here we are given the gauge pressure and we want to determine to what height must this bag be raised, okay, so that the pressure will be equal to our gauge pressure here. Okay, so let us look at the data that we have. We have the specific gravity of 1.02, the height to which this bag must be raised, we do not know, and the value of G is 9.8, and the density is also not known, okay, because this is glucose solution, so you don't know the density of this fluid. Also, the gauge pressure is given as 1.33 times 10 to the power 3 pascals. Okay, so gauge pressure is given and we want to find the value of H. But we know that gauge pressure is given by density of that fluid multiplied by G and multiplied by the height, okay, or the depth if it is below the surface. Okay, so now how do we obtain the density of this solution? Okay, so to obtain the density of this solution, since we are given the specific gravity of the solution and we know that this solution contains some water, okay, so because it's made with water mixture, we are going to multiply the density of the water times the specific gravity of the solution. Okay, so we multiply the density of water with the specific gravity to obtain the density of that solution. Okay, I hope this is clear here. So if we do that, we are going to find the density of this glucose solution. So we are saying to find the density of the glucose solution, we multiply the density of water by the specific gravity of that solution, giving us its density as 1020 kgs per cubic meters. So this is the density of the glucose solution. Now that we have found this, the gauge pressure, which is given in the question as 1.33 times 10 to the power 3 pascals, is equal to density times G times H. Okay, the gauge pressure equals rho GH. Okay, so from which we can obtain the value of H. If we make an expression for H in this, we're going to obtain the value of H as 13.31 centimeters. So this is the height to which the bag must be raised so that we can have a gauge pressure of 1.33 times 10 to the power 3 pascals. Okay, so keep looking out for the other videos for the next questions.